players are on the field. But what the hell's their agenda? Still haven't figured it out. All I know is, we gotta nip it in the bud, hombre. They're only the forerunners. Soon they'll send for backup. At your service. Here we are.
Do not be alarmed. Forces of insurrection are at work. All armed groups are illegal. Flags of roaches, reapers, and yulars are banned. The chaos will be crushed and order restored. Our glorious leader has declared a state of emergency. Normal government will be resumed as soon as possible. Tonight's $1 billion lotto has not been affected, so tune in tomorrow to hear who is Panau's luckiest citizen.
Ready and try not to break it now.
Nice work, Hand-Eye. Cities are on fire, the gangs are running amok, every man and his dog is attacking government forces. And just like we hoped, that sniveling coward Panay has fled the city.
And you got a lead on that little runt?
All on your PDA, good buddy. Baby Panay's hiding place.
Not for much longer.
Won't be easy though, Rico. Once you've flown to the canyon entrance, you're gonna have to go in on the ground. The base and the palace are heavily fortified. My suggestion is that you call in one of your best faction buddies for support.
I'll do that, my friend. Though I won't need any help cutting that dwarf down to size.
Just make sure you put baby to bed for good, Rico. 'Cause when you're done, it's time for a little of what we do best at the agency. It's time for a little regime change.
Of course, now I remember. Barbecues aren't your only skill.
Well, thank you, Rico. A man likes to be appreciated for more than his suckling pig. But choose your faction wisely. They're gonna be with you all the way to the end game.
It's the devil's company. But I guess I'm used to it.
Time to choose, amigo. Which one you like best? Savage Ular Boy Shri, Sweet Pinko Reaper Bolo, or Old Grumpy Roach's Dawn Razor? Your choice.
You would like to cut some cane with me, huh, Scorpio?
Thanks for the offer, but I can offer you something else to cut. Baby Panay's throat. I found where he and his troops are hiding.
Oh yes, most definitely. You just show us. Where? At last, the people of Pana will rise and shatter the chains of the imperialist oppressors. At last, the hour of the people has come, Scorpio. Using your information, I have created a plan for the attack. I shall be leading the attack via radio. Being a figurehead of the revolution, I am much too valuable to the cause to be harmed. Farewell, brave comrade.
Scorpio, these comrades are at your disposal. Guide them through the canyon. I want you to take out 3 big anti-aircraft guns and any fascist personnel around it so we can drop our engineers. They will help you pry open baby Panay's mouth gate. Lead the troops through the canyon. Scorpio, lead our glorious revolutionaries on. Guide our brothers to victory. My comrades have fallen. To get our hands on Panay, we need to work together. You see that huge anti-aircraft gun? There are 3 just like it. By each of them is a panel that controls the entrance to Panay's dome. You must destroy the gun and any surrounding guards. Then we will drop one of our engineers to help access the panel. My comrades have fallen. To get our hands on Panay, we need to work together. You see that huge anti-aircraft gun? There are 3 just like it. By each of them is a panel that controls the entrance to Panay's dome. You must destroy the gun and any surrounding guards. Then we will drop one of our engineers to help access the panels.
Move up! Out! Out! I'm taking fire!
All units! Intruder alert! Keep the cannon safe!
Enemy in sight! Over there! None but you can't hide! Everybody God bless him! He's here! He's here!
Now you're gonna be sorry.
It is clear. Good work, my brave revolutionary. Bolo is sending an engineer to access the panel. Stand by. Yes, the engineer is in position, ready to access the panel.
He's led! Time to die! You're going down, man! There he goes! One more, guy!
Only one still stands proud.
I'm pinned down!
One engineer coming up. The second engineer is in place. Move on, comrade.
Now we'll have some fun.
Negative! Send backup! The last gun is destroyed. Wonderful work! Now, you go to the last of the panels, just by that grotesque mouth, and access it. This will get us inside. Now the third engineer is in position.
You know, I can't shake the feeling that Panay is trying to make up for something. Okay, you ready, engineers and eggheads? 3, 2, 1, and access! That guy should floss more often.
Now, Scorpio. Find the little evil elf Panay and cut him down.
Okay, now for the leprechaun. That'll come in handy. Quiet places. They always creep me out.
Ah, I have been expecting you, the American agent. Please tell me you are not also here to steal Panau's beautiful black gold.
Oil. I should have guessed. Always this damn oil.
Oil, more oil than any reserve on the whole planet. I am going to control the whole world.
Oh no, little man! Not if I can stop it!
Oh, hell.
It was you, Panay! You who destroyed the only thing I loved. And now that Jade is dead, we'll die together.
Imbecile! Grotesque! I command you to stop! Get that grenade away from me! Throw it away!
Mierda. Oh yeah, Jade is still alive. She wanted to tell you something about, never seeing you again.
All personnel evacuate the area. Self-destruct sequence initiated. All personnel must clear the area. The facility will self-destruct.